Meaning of inconclusively.
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 Inconclusively. The word inconclusively means that something has not been definitely or decisively settled or resolved. It suggests that there is still a lack of clarity or certainty on the matter at hand and that no clear conclusion has been reached. When a situation or investigation ends inconclusively, it often leaves room for further investigation or debate. In other words, it is uncertain or ambiguous, lacking any finality. An inconclusive result can be frustrating or unsettling, as it often fails to provide closure or a clear path forward.